Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. So Samsung Galaxy S22 series has come to its peaks of leaks and rumors, mainly Galaxy S22 Ultra are the major focus because is likely going to be 2-in-1 model, saying merging S line and Note series. We have seen several rumors and speculations, but this time it is getting clear each day by day. Today we can get a full clarity of the camera specs as Zaryab Khan of ZTechCare shared what he called introducing super clear lens in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. As for the information gathered, the graphic doesn't go into much detail, but it suggests this is a feature where Samsung has included Gorilla Glass technology on the camera to reduce reflection and glare in your shots. Exactly how this will work in practice is currently unclear, and it seems from this leak that it'll just be specifically for the phone's main camera. This won't be accessible on the telephoto or ultra-wide cameras. The rest of the specs here are similar to what we've heard before, with the phone apparently featuring a 108MP f1.8 main camera, two 10MP telephoto cameras, and an ultra-wide 12MP f2.2 shooter. It also says there will be a 40MP camera on the front of the phone. Other elements mentioned by the infographic include the choice of either 8GB or 12GB of RAM, plus storage choices of 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB. It also says the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will come with a 5000 mAh battery. It will, as well as including an embedded S Pen, and come in 4 colors variate. Those shades are listed as Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, and Burgundy, as seen in previous leaks. The processor listed for this handset is the Exynos 2200, which likely means this is a spec list for the European and Asian models rather than the one set to be available in the US. We currently expect those in the US to get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset in their phones. This infographic is fan-made with leaked information, so it's unlikely that it'll be included in a similar way on Samsung's final marketing material. That said, it wouldn't surprise us if Samsung made this new super clear lens a big part of the Galaxy S22 Ultra's marketing push. The brand has done similar before with the Galaxy S21 marketing focusing on the S21 Ultra's telephoto camera. It may do similar on this run of new handsets, but this time with super clear lens. Glare and reflections aren't a huge nuisance in mobile photography, though, so it's unlikely to be a reason why you'll upgrade to this phone if you already own a relatively modern handset. It would be a nice-to-have feature, but it's far from a reason to immediately upgrade. However, smartphone cameras are nearing a point where improvements are minor as they're already fantastic. This is likely another way of Samsung making smaller improvements with each iteration rather than an attempt to change the game entirely. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.